He's on the move.
He's on the move.
He's on the move. Be able to have that shit.
Here, wipe your hand off.
Yeah, wipe your hands down, guys.
Found a little.
Wipe your hand off.
Wipe your hand.
Here.
So you don't have the smell of mice on your hands.
Actually, scented is probably better.
Yeah.
Just because.
I got him. It's a little.
Kate, now give him to me, and then go grab.
I know where he is. I can go put it to him.
No, go. Oh.
Go get the mantis.
I don't want to get the brain mantis. Just holding him. I'm scared, and he's high up.
Vince, go help him.
I don't want to.
I don't think Vince will be touching it. They're kind of afraid of him too, a little.
That snake is looking at me so suspiciously.
Kind of interesting little caterpillar though. But yeah, you gotta watch what you touch, because I know there's a black and white fuzzy looking caterpillar thing, and they're supposed to be
with him?
poisonous.
I don't know. Dude, look at this house. No. It's like, where's that mouse again? I want more mouse. Ooh, I see one. But mouse. You want more of the mouse. Whoa. What? Ah! You got that bee! You got that bee! Welcome back to the new vlog. Today, we're going to bigger snakes eat. Look at that big mouse right mouse.
She yawned.
Cute.
They're so cute when they do that.
How?
I seen a video of a little
mouse.
girl, must have been like 6 or 7 years old, and she's sitting on the couch, and she's got a big old boa, one of those big yellow ones that gets fucking huge, and he's just chilling on the couch, and you see her sitting there, and then you see his head poke out, and all of a sudden he yawns a big yawn. You see all his teeth and everything. Well,
There's bees flying around us. Why? Probably because they smell the rat and my talkies.
yeah.
Want some? Die.
Fuck off.
Ah, I don't like bees. We do some like. Why did we do it inside?
It's just easier and less messy to do it.
Out here. You don't get blood and stuff all over the floor and
Everywhere, yeah, just all in the cage. Ugh. Rodents are dirty, so I'd rather do it out here. That way it's...
What do you have to say for
I
yourself,
can't
Freddy
believe
Evo?
that you guys caught that fucking mouse.
that was amazing.
I can't
They're
believe.
usually sneaky, slippery little suckers.
But not for
Surprised we
me.
got him.
Not for me. Not for me and you. I spotted it. Yeah, but I got it. Yeah. Dude, we worked in desert to get the fucking mouse. He was like, where was that go? You gotta get wrecked, mouse. You're gonna die. I could eat I ate like a big one that long. Or something close to there. It was so hot. It was way big. It was long. It was kind of like this one.
Kind of...
I'll eat this one later. Get all it right now. After I eat this. Take pictures! Take pictures! That's evil! That's evil!
Stop shaking the damn camera, you weirdo.
Go over there. Why won't you go over
I don't know
there?
what that is. Say, screw you, lady.
This is such a nice movie.
Go over there.
These flying around your butt.
Go over there.
It's got
Go over
a
there.
spray paint on it.
Go over there. Where are you going? What?
Away, he ain't stupid. He's like, I'm lunch. I
Here,
know
wait.
I'm lunch.
Don't put your hand in there, Leland. If I get bit, it's fine.
Yeah.
I'm using the phone.
If you get bit, I'm going to feel really bad.
Why are you flying? You know you could just slide them over with your phone. The fuck was it? Watch.
Leland!
No, Leland.
What did she just say?
I think
Stop shaking the camera so much.
she's not hungry that much.
Okay, give me my phone.
I think she's not hungry.
Yeah, I think she's done. Video?
Yeah, I'm gonna video the damn thing. That's...
He's coming out of that.
Oh, is that like a... Almost like a...
He's coming out of that.
The hell do you call it? Like a little puzz butterflies come out of or something.
I bet you it's got wings.
Yeah, it's probably a butterfly trying to come out of its little pod thing. It's probably what it is. Oh, kind of, I don't know. Wonder if we should find a safe spot for him so he doesn't get kicked around.
like all wiggling. Trying to get out of it. Yeah, see, he does have wings. Look.
Oh, you can kind of see him. Yeah, look at that.
Fuck yeah, let's go.
Where the hell would you put him, though, where he's safe?
I'm gonna set him on here, though, so I don't, like, touch it too much.
Maybe try putting him in a tree? Or maybe by one of the trees somewhere where he won't get, like, stepped on or something.
That's freaking cool.
That's crazy. I'm like, what in the Sam hell is that? But yeah, it's almost like he's trying to come out of a cocoon is what I was thinking of. That's crazy.
Let's go show the boys. They'll like that. And then we'll find it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So
Some kind of a glue or something to stick him into a tree or something.
He's
It's a little, it's like a,
move.
yeah, it's a little caterpillar making a cocoon so he can turn into a butterfly.
That's cool. Where'd you find
Or a moth.
Over by the tree, I met that too, a moth. Well, it looks more like a moth. We found him by that weeping willow back there.
Can I see? I want to take a better look at that thing. It's already about cocooned.
Yeah, it's almost like it was attached right there
It
somewhere.
looks like it got dirty from the drop.